What if I told you the fastest way to disarm a manipulator is to stop giving them what they crave most? Not confrontation, not closure, emotion. Because some people don't want peace, they want reaction. And when you refuse to play their game, something strange happens. They lose power. This is the gray rock method, a psychological technique that makes you invisible to toxicity. Act 1. The hidden mechanics of manipulation. Toxic people thrive on emotional energy. Every argument, every dramatic moment, it feeds their ego. The more you react, the more control they gain. Psychologists call this narcissistic supply, emotional fuel drawn from others' chaos. So the gray rock method flips the script. You stop feeding the fire. You become boring, dull, emotionally unreactive. Like a gray rock. No spark, no fuel, no drama. And eventually they move on, searching for someone else to feed off. Act 2. The psychology of emotional neutrality. Being gray doesn't mean being numb. It means mastering emotional detachment with precision. You speak calmly, briefly, and without emotion. You offer no personal stories, no opinions, no triggers. It's psychological aikido, redirecting energy by refusing to resist. Toxic people can't manipulate what doesn't respond. But this isn't easy. Our brains are wired to defend, explain, and justify. That's what manipulators exploit, our need to be understood. The gray rock method teaches you to cut that cord. Act 3. The quiet power of emotional invisibility. When you go gray, you reclaim control over your nervous system. You stop mirroring their chaos and start mirroring calm. Over time, your silence becomes unsettling, even intimidating, because they realize they no longer have access to your emotions. It's not passive, it's power disguised as stillness. And ironically, your lack of reaction speaks louder than any confrontation ever could. Act 4. When to use it and when not to. The gray rock method works best when you must interact with toxic people, co-workers, family members, ex-partners. But it's not a lifelong strategy. Extended emotional detachment can dull your empathy. Use it like armor, not identity. The goal isn't to become emotionless. It's to protect your emotions from being weaponized. The next time someone tries to provoke you, remember this. You don't owe them your reaction. Sometimes silence is the ultimate form of strength. If this helped you see manipulation differently, subscribe and learn to decode the unseen patterns of human behavior.